Nocum trying to slither his way through. And one para kay Adrian.
Mahirap dyan. Pag ikaw dumidepensa dyan, pag umatras ka ng umatras.
Given that space, he goes to the left. Holt with a jumper.
4 points na rin yan, di ba? May layup yan kanina.
Kahit sino nga bumitaw, no, Dok? Pumapasok tuloy sa Barangay Nebra ang bola. Holt for 3.
7 points in the ball game na ito si Holt.
That stretches the lead to 14. 3-point shot na yan natin sa atin na with a running start. Anton to the other side. Malonzo on the move. Squeezes it through.
And what?
Abarientos from deep. Punches it through.
All of a sudden, 14 na naman ang lamang. Good offensive border.
Anton wants it. He's been feeling it.
Yeah!
Anton Asisio catching fire here in Antipolo.
Bagong referee na alam kong inaasahan nila maging magaling. Imported from Cebu pa yata yan.
Aba. 43-34, mapapa-timeout. Ng 30. Si Coach Dim. Go back to Holt. From the other side, Scotty breaks the silence para sa Ginebra.
May pectus to yung ano yun. May spin. Oh, easy 2 points pero hindi pumasok.
Still goes all the way.
Nice pass. And 1. So, possible lead. Ito si Malonzo. Mike, yung Malonzo sa kabila. 9 puntos na. Scored.
Mamu shot 1 of 7 from the field in the first half. Dalawang tao nakatumba, Mabuyak and Rosario.
Ano na, parang masaktan yata eh.
Nakahawak si Mamu sa kanyang ulo.
Parang maraming tao nanood dahil alam nila magandang labanan nito.
And 1 para dito kay Mamu.
1 out of 7 kanina sa first half. 14% din.
Hinahabol ni Thompson. Alonso kicks. Holt making sure this one's a 3.
What a game. What a game by Stephen Holt.
Na blank. David pushing hard. 3-on-1. Rosario will stretch for it. That now is a 15-point lead para sa Barangay Nebra. Ojeng will ask for this timeout. 82-67 ang nasa ating talaran. El Presidente, of course, Don Ramon Fernandez, a 4-time MVP. As Stephen Holt wants to put this game away.
Ayan na, si ano mo, sinukom na, no?
Oo nga, waiting na sa scorer's table.
Booker Ocon did not play the last game. Of course, he's gonna play the next game. That's another guy that has really medyo yung point shot na niya in this ball game. Limited minutes sa laro niya dito. Oo. Sinong kalaban ng Barangay Nebra?
Converge.
Bigat na.
It'll be San Miguel Meralco, Enlex Ross, Magnolia Team.
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos sunalo. Ang laban!